What's the meaning of completely? Completely. Completely.
Completely. Completely. Completely means to do something entirely, with no part or aspect left unattended. When something is completed, it means that the task has been finished to the fullest extent. For example, completely cleaning a room would mean that every corner, surface, and object has been thoroughly cleaned. Completing a project completely would indicate that every task on the project plan has been checked off and all deliverables have been completed. Overall, completely signifies a comprehensive and thorough conclusion to a task or process, without any gaps or omissions.